and obviously Claude will not let scrape anything. Some basic issues. I don't like it. You can't select code. You can't really search this thing. What? Okay, I don't like Claude. Already. Are we gonna be friends? We are crawling the following website. It's amazing how you have this super fancy AI tools, but then they don't have basic chat functionality. You actually have to type to this thing. Yeah, we should have beautiful soap, scribble fetch BioniChaos data, and we cannot execute it on the server. It says scrape, what? Scrape 0 tools, 0 entries. That's not good. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, now we have a very large JSON file. It actually might be too large. Can you explain this? It says deep, long chats cause you to reach your usage limits faster. Okay, it says great. Now I can see we're getting somewhere. We're successfully connecting to the website, getting content. Yeah, 36,000, almost 37,000 characters. That might be a bit much. Finding 82 links. The title and structure being found. However, I noticed almost everything is being categorized as analysis tools. The tools' names and descriptions aren't being properly separated. A better title, more specific category, better data organization. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good to me. Let's see when we hit that limit. Let's see when we hit the limit. Question: how do we go back if we have to? I guess we just go up the chat. Okay, we did another scraping. Just explain in the chat what's going on. Okay, we're getting better results. The characterization is working. Categorization. But I still have some issues with the title description splitting. Let's make one final improvement. One final improvement. That's a big call. It's saying there will be no more improvements. Okay. Okay, better text splitting, weighted category scoring. Yeah, we currently have like 426 entries JSON file. Yeah, with some long descriptions. So it's promising better results. There's 174 lines of scraping code. This one's giving an error. This one is giving an error. Can you actually explain what's up? Okay, this is actually quite familiar. This is very similar to what ChatGPT does with apologizing a lot. But I forgot to include something. A good thing about ChatGPT, well, I'm not sure if it's good or bad, but it has that fix code button. But yeah, it's a chat, so we would like to actually talk to this thing. Okay, 182 lines. Let's clear the terminal. Okay, I think we are in business. We have 426 lines in a JSON file. Okay, so the JSON file looks great. How do we need to update the JSON file looks good. Can we update the index HTML and the JavaScript code? Can we generate both of them from scratch using the JSON data? Okay, so we do like how Claude has all these different files. Let's see. So we did the scraping. We have the Python file. We have the JSON file. Now we have... Okay, so we have the CSS and we have the HTML and the JavaScript. So it should be the Chatbot JavaScript. Okay, let's see what we've got. EG, which what keeps saying I'm not sure about this and that. Console. We have the sources static. Where's the JSON file? Categories. Okay, brain and neural. Okay, super large response. And that's not accurate. And there's no links. We could use some links. And what do we say? Cochlea. I found one relevant tool. That's correct. We could use links for it as well. Yes, I don't quite understand when we're talking about adding additional response types. What do you mean? So, for example, when we type in EEG, it's currently giving us. I'm not sure about that. The categories. So the categories look correct, but say for brain and neural, we should also include the EEG. So we wanted to come up when just typing EEG. So yes, essentially, we do want to add more advanced search capabilities. Can you explain fuzzy matching? Sounds good. Is it like using fuzzy logic, is it? And enhance the UI. The UI looks okay-ish. And when we're loading the page, it can give a few suggestions. Yeah, so eventually we're just replicating ChatGPT or something, or Claude. Yeah, we don't want to do that. But yes, we would like to add more capabilities. So I like how when you type Cochlea, it finds the one relevant tool. We would like links to that tool in the response. That would be great. And when we go brain, yeah, when we go brain, it found like 11 relevant tools, but yeah, the response could have been much shorter. So yes, essentially we would like to have more advanced short search capabilities and implement fuzzy matching for better results. That sounds good to me. Why this chat is taking a whopping 900 megabytes? How come it's taking a whopping 900 megabytes? Making sense. And it did update the code. There's no reading out loud. So that's a bit of a problem. Okay, so we want to improve better search capabilities, especially for abbreviations like ECG and EEG, ML, Vs, okay, BCI, AI, yep, fine. We have abbreviations, and this is wait, do we need to scrape the website again, or why doesn't it doesn't tell me what is code? Okay, it does. It's the Chatbot JS. Okay, well, it's much longer. Let's try it out. There's an error. There is an error. It's the publish. Yeah, I know what it does, but yeah, we don't want to do it. We do not want to publish it yet. We don't want to publish it yet. Yeah, when it's generating the code, yes, if it was 217 lines, it's missing something, isn't it? It's missing something. And fixing the order of the methods in the class. Okay, go for it. It's not a computer science course. Move the meta definition. I don't care what you did. Did you fix? No, sorry, I don't care. Of course we care. Of course we care. Okay, this is EG. Nice. Very nice. Hey, can't help you with BioniChaos tools or resources. Try asking show all categories, brain and neural tools, visualization tools, educational resources. Yeah, when you type in EEG, cardio, yeah, 3 tools on cardio to have this a search function there. On cardio, we're actually finding more stuff, well, because it's including heart, ECG, PPG, illusion, Ponzo, optical illusion. That's actually correct. Okay, so we had AI doing AI for us. That's nice. So we have a BioniChaos chatbot. Hey, can you summarize? What? Okay. What is a IPA? So this I couldn't find. Checking the spelling. Yeah, okay, so this is not a general bot. I mean, so can you give a summary on how this bot works? So it's my understanding is it's only providing information from the JSON file, but how could we make it even better so you can actually chat with it? I mean, primarily about the BioniChaos website, but also include relevant topics. For example, when typing YouTube, yes, you could mention that we have a YouTube channel. Hey, can you just explain this in the chat before making any changes to the code? Okay, yeah, there's a lot that can be enhanced. Well, yeah, with the YouTube, you could just provide the link. All the links to socials and things, like, I mean, if you scraped the website correctly, you should have found them. Yeah, there's an about section. Did we parse the about section of the site? No, I don't think you did.